We just got a package in our P.O. box. If you guys didn't know, we have a P.O. box. I will write it on the screen over here. If you guys want to send us anything, we will open it on camera. So this is what we got today. It just came in. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Oh man.
Are those the wheel hooks? These are probably the
Yeah,
wheel hooks.
these are the wheel hooks.
Okay, so let's go ahead and install this, but let me just tell you about these. So these were sent in by a viewer. His Instagram is Sidekick Chuck. He noticed that we had a little display of wheels here in our living room. So he wanted to help us out. He sent us his product, which is pretty much some wheel hooks to mount them up on the wall or anywhere. So we're gonna be installing this right now to hopefully get a nice little setup going. So instead of them being on the ground, we can have them laid up on the wall. I think we're gonna put them on this wall right here. So this is the mount that you use to mount the wheel on the wall. They go like this. So that fits nicely. This is the reverse part. I'm curious to see if it'll fit on the back because it has like a little lip. Oh, it does. It stretches. It like kind of bends. It like locks it into place. All right, so we are going to take down this picture, relocate it, and we're gonna put this here to hopefully mount the wheel up on the wall. So let's go ahead and take this picture down.
A couple of days ago, we posted on our social media that we're gonna be doing a Q&A, and if you guys had any questions, we're gonna answer them. So we have a couple that we got asked, and we're gonna be answering them while we install these. Hey Blaine, what's the best arms for a 240?
So I say that the best arms or suspension that you can get for your project is one that you can afford right now. The reason being is I've had a lot of good experiences with Godspeed and I've had a bad experience with SPL.
Hey Blaine.
No, you can't keep going hey Blaine before every question.
That's a good answer. What got you and Christine into cars?
So my dad was into car shows, drag racing and stuff, so it's only natural that I take upon that passion as well, which is awesome because I get to share it with my wife, as you can see. Hey Christine!
Hey!
What's the color of your car?
It's a custom color, so there isn't a paint code for it, but it's just a pink champagne.
So I can't just go to the paint shop and order this?
No.
Jeez!
How'd you do your clear tails?
Well, I took them from red to clear by taking them apart and using lacquer thinner to take out the red tint. They don't work on all cars, but they worked on these. Hey Christine, what is your favorite mod on your car?
My favorite mod is my fenders, especially the front fenders. I feel like they turn out better than the back fenders.
Christine, when will your car be finished?
We don't have a specific date yet, but we're trying to get it done as soon as possible. Do you have any advice for smaller YouTubers?
My advice for anyone trying to do YouTube is to be consistent. Make a schedule and upload as consistently as possible because once you stop, you will fall off.
What got you into drifting?
Initially, every day after school when I was a kid, I would go to the mall and play the arcade Initial D, and that got me into S chassis and got me interested into drifting.
If Hawaii had a track, would you move back?
Maybe later when I'm a little older. Right now, there's a lot more for me to see here, a lot more places to go. Hawaii, you can't really do much besides go to the beach. And yeah, no, I probably wouldn't move back, maybe when I get older.
What is your favorite S chassis and what engine swap would you do on it?
My favorite S chassis would be the S14 Zenki. That's been my all-time favorite car. Second place is the Fastback, which I have outside. So probably maybe a 2JZ in an S chassis would be like hands down the best platform for me.
Would you build a VIP car?
Actually, I do have plans to build a VIP car probably in the next couple builds or so, which is the reason why I'm saving these wheels right here. Check it out, guys. Doesn't that look cool? So if you guys are interested in a set of these super dope wheel mounts, go ahead and hit up Sidekick Chuck. I'll leave his information down in the description. These are $25 shipped anywhere in the continental United States, and they come with a set of 4. Hey Christine, where are 326 power wheels?
They're right here. We still have to make some adjustments to the car before we can run them.
Hey Christine, how much horsepower are you running?
It's a stock engine on the stock ECU, so it should be about 250. How do you calculate offset?
So the quick version is to pretty much measure the width of your wheel, find the center line, and then you want to go to the back side of the wheel. Get yourself a flat edge. You measure from the back of the wheel face, find your measurement, subtract this from the measurement of exact center, and that'll be your offset. The negative is more towards the back of the wheel. More positive the number is, the more towards the front of the wheel it is. Self-taught working on cars?
Everything that we know, we learned by actually just trying it on the car. So yeah.
So who taught you about the stance game? So when's the new merch coming out?
We just dropped our shift knobs on the website. So they have 2 different logos and you can choose which one you want to put on top. And we have 6 colors.